In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your VidIQ account permanently. If you've decided that it's time to part ways with VidIQ, whether it's because you found another tool or simply want a break from analytics, I'm here to guide you through the process. It's a straightforward task, but a few key steps need to be followed to ensure your account is deleted entirely. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the VidIQ website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the VidIQ URL, bringing you to the homepage or the login screen. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. This is the first crucial step because without logging in, you won't be able to proceed with the account deletion process. Once logged in, focus your attention on the bottom left corner of the VidIQ interface. There, you'll find the chat support option. This might be represented by a chat bubble icon or something similar. Click on it to open the chat support window. This feature is your direct line to the VidIQ support team, who are equipped to handle requests like account deletions. With the chat support window open, it's time to compose a message. Clearly and concisely, request the deletion of your account. You might want to include a reason for your request, although it's not always necessary. Simply stating, "I would like to delete my VidIQ account permanently," should suffice. This message will alert the support team of your intention to close your account. After sending your message, it's a good idea to remain patient, as it might take some time for the support team to respond. They might ask for additional information to verify your identity or confirm your request. Be sure to provide any details they might need promptly to avoid any delays in processing your request. Once your request is processed and confirmed by the support team, your VidIQ account will be permanently deleted. Remember, this action is irreversible. Ensure you've downloaded any data or information you might want to keep before initiating the deletion process. In conclusion, deleting your VidIQ account is a permanent decision, but if you've decided it's the right move for you, following these steps will help you accomplish it smoothly. Always ensure you've backed up any important data, and feel free to reach out to VidIQ support if you encounter any issues during the process. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in assisting you with deleting your VidIQ account permanently.